Brad Pitt demands to see Angelina Jolie's private messages as exes prepare to face off at trial. Brad Pitt told a judge is facing roadblocks in obtaining his ex-wife Angelina Jolie's private messages, which the actor believes could be crucial evidence in their ugly court battle over their French winery, Us Weekly can report. On June 30th, Pitt, 61, filed court documents obtained by Us, revealing his struggle to depose a man named Alexei Olenek, who works for Jolie Group. Pitt and Jolie, 50, purchased Vineyard, Chateau Miraval, while married. A couple of years after filing for divorce, Jolie sold her stake in Miraval to Jolie. Pitt has opposed the sale and sued to undo it. In his recent motion, Pitt said he wants Olenek to turn over communications regarding the transaction or any messages with Jolie and or her team members. Pitt said Olenek has refused to appear for a deposition or turn over documents. Olenek argued he was a resident of Switzerland and could not be forced to appear in the matter, which was filed in California. Brad Pitt claims Angelina Jolie vindictively sold his share of their winery as payback for custody battle. The F1 star said the man has first-hand knowledge of the negotiations with Jolie and her team. He said the documents requested go directly to his core claims in the case. A source close to the case tells us this is another example of the defendant's repeated opposition to sharing documents that would provide insight. As was previously reported, Pitt and Jolie are preparing for a 15-day trial for which a start date has yet to be set amid their legal battle over the winery. Pitt held his share of the winery in a company named Mondo Bongo. Jolie held her shares in a company called Nouveau. The Exes split in 2016 but continued to hold their interest in Miraval until Jolie said she wanted out in 2021. Pitt and his team offered $55.4 million for Jolie's stake. In 2022, Pitt sued Jolie, claiming she sold off Nouveau to Jolie without his approval, which he said was required. Jolie denied the accusations, or that she was required to obtain Pitt's approval. For her part, Jolie claimed she backed out of the deal due to Pitt attempting to add a non-disparagement clause to cover up his years of abuse. Pitt denied her allegations. His lawyer scoffed at the idea Jolie backed out of the talks due to the non-disclosure clause. He believed Jolie and Nouveau had covertly lined up and tentatively struck a deal with a third party, the Jolie Group, owned and controlled by Russian billionaire Yuri Shefler. The Sun reported that Pitt is also seeking to depose a member of Nouveau. Everything to know about Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's winery lawsuit. The allegations explained. As was previously reported, Nouveau filed a countersuit against Pitt as part of the case. It accused Pitt of mismanaging Miraval's assets and called him out for spending money on vanity projects. The countersuit alleged Pitt and Mondo Bongo have turned Chateau Miraval into their personal piggy bank. It continued. They have entered into a series of transactions using Chateau Miraval's funds that have deprived Jolie of the profits and loan repayments to which it is entitled. Pitt and his company denied all allegations of wrongdoing